I was looking on YouTube and there is like these videos that these guys have converted dirt blowers.
Okay.
And then they flip them upside down and they use it to actually like suck dirt through and shoot it out.
What's it gonna look like on camera?
When we sit down and we come up with the ideas on the whiteboard and you're like, okay, yeah, write that down, that'd be awesome. And then it comes to the day when you have to do it and you're like, how do you pull this off?
For this to look real, we really had to do what Mother Nature does.
Cool. That looks sick. Honestly, looks exactly like a powder would.